top 7 powerful rockets ever launched in the world. Number 1. The NSA rocket. The NSA rocket is a proposed heavy-lift launch vehicle being developed by the Russian space agency, Roscosmos. It is named after the NSA River, which is one of the longest rivers in Siberia, Russia. The NSA rocket is part of Roscosmos' plans to replace its existing Proton and Angara launch vehicles with a more advanced and capable system. It is designed to deliver large payloads to various destinations, including low Earth orbit LEO, geostationary transfer orbit GEO, the Moon, and potentially even Mars. The main objective of the NSA rocket is to enhance Russia's space capabilities and competitiveness in the global launch market. It is expected to have a high payload capacity, allowing for the launch of heavier satellites, space probes, and potentially crewed missions beyond Earth orbit. Number 2. The Starship. The Starship rocket, developed by SpaceX, is a next-generation spacecraft designed for a variety of missions, including crewed space travel, satellite deployment, lunar missions, and eventually, journeys to Mars. It represents a significant step forward in reusable rocket technology and is a key component of SpaceX's ambitious vision for human space exploration. Starship is a fully reusable spacecraft that consists of 2 main elements: the Starship vehicle and the Super Heavy booster. The Starship vehicle serves as the upper stage and is designed to carry both crew and cargo. It features a sleek stainless steel design and has a spacious interior capable of accommodating up to 100 passengers. Number 3. The Space Launch System SLS. The Space Launch System SLS rocket is a powerful launch vehicle developed by NASA National Aeronautics and Space Administration to support deep space exploration missions, including crewed missions to the Moon, Mars, and other destinations beyond Earth's orbit. The SLS rocket is designed to be the most capable and versatile launch vehicle ever built by NASA. It consists of 2 primary components: the core stage and the upper stage. The core stage is the backbone of the rocket and houses the main propulsion system, including 4 Rs-25 engines, which are the same engines used on the Space Shuttle. The upper stage, known as the Exploration Upper Stage EUs, provides additional power and capability to propel payloads on their intended trajectories. One of the key advantages of the SLS rocket is its high payload capacity. It is designed to deliver heavy payloads, including spacecraft, habitats, and scientific instruments, to various destinations in space. Number 4. Juno. Juno is a space probe mission led by NASA that is dedicated to studying the planet Jupiter. Launched on August 5, 2011, aboard an Atlas V rocket, Juno arrived at Jupiter on July 4, 2016, after a journey of nearly 5 years. The primary goal of the Juno mission is to improve our understanding of the origin and evolution of Jupiter. By investigating the planet's composition, magnetic field, gravity field, and atmospheric dynamics, Juno aims to provide valuable insights into the formation of Jupiter and the early solar system. The spacecraft itself is equipped with a suite of scientific instruments designed to capture data and images of Jupiter. Juno's most prominent instrument is the JunoCam, which captures stunning photographs of the gas giant and its atmospheric features, providing breathtaking images for scientific analysis and public engagement. Number 5. The Ares I. The Ares I rocket was a crew launch vehicle concept developed by NASA as part of its Constellation program. It was designed to transport astronauts to low Earth orbit LEO and eventually to the International Space Station ISS. The Ares I rocket consisted of 2 primary stages. First stage. The first stage of the Ares I rocket was a single solid rocket booster SRB derived from the Space Shuttle's solid rocket boosters. This powerful SRB provided the initial thrust required for launch and ascent. Upper stage. The upper stage of the Ares I rocket featured the Orion Crew Module, which served as the spacecraft to carry astronauts and cargo. The Orion Crew Module was designed to accommodate a crew of up to 6 astronauts and could be used for various missions, including those beyond Earth orbit. The Ares I rocket was specifically designed to meet the needs of crewed missions, with a focus on safety, reliability, and the ability to support human exploration beyond LEO. It aimed to provide a sustainable means of transporting astronauts to the ISS and served as a precursor for future human space exploration missions to the Moon and other destinations. Number 6. Traveler 4. It's fantastic to hear that a rocket built by students reached space. Student-led rocket projects and competitions are a great way to foster interest in aerospace engineering and inspire the next generation of scientists and engineers. While I don't have information about a specific rocket in this context, student rocketry programs and competitions, such as the NASA Student Launch Initiative or various university-led projects, provide students with hands-on experience in designing, building, and launching rockets. These student-led rockets often aim to reach specific altitude goals or perform scientific experiments during their flight. Some programs even involve reaching the boundary of space, defined as the Kármán line, which is approximately 100 kilometers (62 miles) above sea level. Student rocket projects not only give students the opportunity to apply theoretical knowledge but also help them develop teamwork, problem-solving, and practical engineering skills. Number 7. The Space Shuttle. The Space Shuttle rocket, also known as the Space Transportation System (SDS), was a groundbreaking spacecraft system developed by NASA, the United States Space Agency. It represented a revolutionary approach to space travel, combining both reusable and expendable elements to achieve its mission objectives. The primary purpose of the Space Shuttle rocket was to transport crew members, satellites, and scientific payloads into space. Unlike traditional rockets that were used once and discarded, the Space Shuttle was designed for multiple launches and landings, aiming to reduce the cost and complexity of space missions. The Space Shuttle rocket comprised several key components. At the core was the orbiter, a spaceplane-like vehicle that served as the crew's living quarters and operational workspace. It housed various systems, including propulsion, avionics, and cargo bay for payload deployment and retrieval. That was all for today's video. You can share with us your views in the comment section. And if you are new to the channel, remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos we upload. Thank you for watching the video. Best of luck and goodbye.